Hello everyone, my name is Wolf King 101, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balisong or butterfly knife out of Legos. It's really simple actually. You will need 2 of these long pieces. One of these reds. 3 of these. Darn it. 3 of also these. Get in there. And last but certainly not least, this little piece. You're gonna start off by putting all 3 pieces in there. Then you're gonna put the handles in there. Then you're gonna put the red one in the second hole. It can't be the first hole, or else it'll just mess things up. The second hole, remember that. You're gonna put this in so the pieces don't fall out, and this will be a hard struggle since there's nothing to put it in to keep it in place. There we go. Then you're gonna grab this little piece and put it in there. Then you're gonna grab this and put it in there. And there you go, you got yourself a Lego butterfly knife or balisong. Oh yeah, put a little black smudge on one side so you can know which side is rated. And yeah, the bag handle is supposed to be where it's supposed to be sharp. Hold on a second. Don't mess that part up. Believe me, you'll regret it. Because taking this little piece out is a pain. So yeah, I'm going to conclude this video to attempt a butterfly knife trick. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you another time. Or probably hope I'll start making animations instead of these crappy how-to-dos and let's reviews. See ya.